Let's learn the French knot. French knots look like tiny dots of thread, and once you master them, they look so pretty in your design. Start by bringing your needle up at point 1 and pull the thread all the way through. Now, hold the needle parallel to the fabric and wrap the thread once around the needle like this. Make sure you don't pull the thread too tight, but don't leave it too loose either. Hold the thread gently with one hand, and now insert the needle slightly to the side of where you first came up. Important: don't put the needle in the exact same hole. It will ruin the knot. Now pull your thread completely through, while holding it in place with your thumb. And there it is, your first French knot. I suggest you watch this process 2 or 3 times carefully, and then try it out. It takes a little practice, but you'll get it. Just now we made a knot by wrapping the thread once, but you can also wrap it 2, 3, or even 4 times, depending on the look you want. Let me show you how. Wherever you want to make a French knot, bring your needle up from that point. Hold the needle parallel and wrap the thread around it twice, like this. Again, don't pull the thread too tight. Insert the needle slightly beside the original point. Hold the thread gently with one hand and pull the needle down. When you wrap the thread 2 times, the knot will look a bit thicker and fuller. You can also do 3 wraps using the same technique. Just wrap the thread around the needle 3 times before inserting it back into the fabric. Whether you do 1, 2, or 3 wraps, always insert the needle just slightly to the side of your starting point, like this. And whenever you are wrapping the thread, make sure it's not too tight. The most important tip I want to give you is, practice the French knot really well. Try it at least 10-15 times before using it in your actual project. That way, you will get a clean, pretty result. This stitch can be a bit tricky at first, but after many trials and errors, I've shared all the key tips with you. So here's a quick recap of the most important tips. Hold the needle parallel to the fabric. Hold the thread with your other hand. Don't insert the needle in the exact same hole. Go just a little beside it. Happy embroidery!